How to set up delivery for my shopping cart. Underneath the heading Payment and Shopping Cart, select Delivery. There are 4 options to choose from: a flat fee, weight distance matrix, order total, distance matrix, and pickup only. So depending on what you want to do, you can select which kind of weight scale you'd like, and then you can go in and set that up. Currently we're selected on flat fee. Let's say, for example, we change that to weight distance matrix. We can also allow someone to have a pickup option. So if you have a warehouse or a shop, they can come and pick it up. So we say yes, we want to do that as well, and we update. All existing shipping rules will be immediately modified. This may significantly affect your shipping fees displayed to your buyers. So we continue. It says here we haven't configured our weight scales yet, so this will not allow your customers to purchase products from your website. So we'll need to start setting up our weight scales. So we can choose whether we want to have it in ounces, pounds, kilos, etc. And we can say click here to set up our scales. So we click in here, and the first thing you do is you add a destination. So you say add new. Let's just say, for example, we're talking about Australia. Now it will default, it will say all locations. That means every state in Australia. Let's say we only want to make this for New South Wales. We click on all locations and we only tick New South Wales, and we update. So we can say range scale 0 to 1 kilos, fee of free, for example. Okay, and add a range, that's right, add a range, and we say 0 to 1. We can say, again, we can say maybe it's $5. We can add a range 2 to 5.99 kilos, say is $10, and everything from 6 kilos upwards is $20, and we add. So now they are the weight scales that have been added for the product. So what will happen is when you add a product to your shopping cart, it'll have an option there for you to select what the weight of the product is. That's not a compulsory field, but you do have that option to set that in there. And then we can say add a new location, and again we'll go down to Australia, and now you'll notice that instead of saying all locations, it says 7 locations. So now we can click on that, and we can say that we want to send it to Queensland, Victoria, and Tasmania. Are all going to be the same prices. They're all on the east coast, and so we click update. So they're the 3 locations we're choosing. Again, we can say in here we can say it's $5 here. Add a range. We say it's 10. Add a range. 15. Add a range. We want to say it's 25, and we add. And let's say everything after that is 30. And then we've set up weight distance matrix for 4 locations in Australia. That means if someone comes to check out at your shopping cart and they're coming in from one of the other locations, let's say for example we didn't do a weight distance matrix for Western Australia, we didn't do one for South Australia, that means they won't be able to purchase from your shopping cart. So it's important that if you are shipping Australia wide or worldwide or whatever you're doing, that you go through and you set the delivery options for each location. If we just decide to go back, it works the same way. If you want to do a flat fee, for example, we can update the flat fee, continue, and we set up our delivery pricing. Again, it's the same thing. You select your destination. We already have some destinations in there, so we can see one location in Australia, it's free. Let's show location, Victoria. So that might be because the business is based in Victoria. And for all other locations around Australia, we're saying it's $10. We can then say we want to add another country. We can say New Zealand. All locations, and we can say, okay, so anything in the flat fee in New Zealand is $30, and we add that there as well. That means now people from Australia and New Zealand will be able to check out from your shopping cart. So that is how you set up the delivery options for your shopping cart. Thanks for watching.